Mastering D, Words in English. Expand Your Vocabulary, Volume 5. Dishonor. His actions brought dishonor to his family. Disinfectant. Use disinfectant to clean the surface. Disloyal. He was fired for being disloyal to the company and sharing confidential information. Disorder. He suffers from an anxiety disorder. Dispenser. There's a water dispenser in the office. Display. The shop had a beautiful window display. Dispute. There was a dispute over the contract. Distraction. His phone was a constant distraction while he was trying to finish his work. Distribution. The distribution of food was organized by volunteers. District. He lives in the business district. Dive. She did a perfect dive into the pool. We ended up in a dive bar downtown. Diver, diving. He is a professional diver. Scuba diving is an amazing experience. Diving board. He jumped off the diving board. Dock. The ship is in the dock for repairs. I placed my phone in the charging dock. Domain. This topic is outside my domain. I bought a new domain for my website. Domestic. She prefers domestic flights. He doesn't do domestic chores. Donor. She is a regular blood donor. Dormitory. She lives in the college dormitory. Dose. He took a high dose of antibiotics. She needs a dose of motivation. Dossier. The police have a dossier on him. Double. I ordered a double espresso to stay awake. The hotel room had a double bed instead of 2 singles. Be careful! This door has double locks for extra security. She has a double life. By day, she's a teacher, but at night, she's a musician. I got a double portion of fries by mistake. Dozen. I bought a dozen eggs. Dreadful. The weather was dreadful. Drama. She loves watching drama series. Stop creating unnecessary drama. Drastic. They took drastic measures to solve the problem. Draw. The match ended in a draw. The concert was a big draw. Drawbridge. The castle had a drawbridge over the moat. Dressing-y like my salad with Caesar dressing. Dried. I love dried fruits like apricots. Drip. There is a drip coming from the ceiling. The patient is on a drip. Drop. Add a drop of lemon juice to the tea. There was a sharp drop in temperature. Drug. This drug helps reduce pain. He was arrested for drug possession. Drunk. He was too drunk to drive. Dry. My skin gets very dry in winter. Dull. The movie was dull and too long. The knife is too dull to cut. Dumb. That was a dumb mistake. Dummy. A person who is not very intelligent or makes silly mistakes. It is often used jokingly or playfully rather than as a serious insult. I can't believe I forgot my keys again. I'm such a dummy. Dump. Take the old furniture to the dump. This place is a dump. Duration. The duration of the flight is 3 hours. Dust. The table is covered in dust.